Hello, today I just received my new Akrapovic exhaust for my Ducati hypermotard 939. I will unpack it, I will install it on the bike, show you how easy it is, and then afterwards I will show you the sound it makes compared to the stock exhaust. Have fun watching the video. So here you see the box it comes in. It's really well packed in sturdy styrofoam. Nice packaging, so you don't risk anything. You open the box and what's in, tada, the exhaust. The real Akrapovic titanium, very light, only 3 kilograms. Nice finishing, nice carbon finishing also here, really great. And it's a really great exhaust. And you see the inside of the exhaust, really quite open, so it's gonna make an awful sound. So here you have my bike, Ducati 939 hypermotard, 113 horsepower, still with the stock exhaust mounted, but not for long anymore. To mount the new exhaust of Akrapovic, you will need to untighten the screw here, and then also you have a screw down there which needs to be unscrewed, and then you can slip off the standard exhaust. These are the tools you will need to mount the exhaust. So here you see now the exhaust which is unmounted, and now I will put on the link pipe and the new exhaust of Akrapovic. So now I fixed the link pipe to the exhaust. See here, it's mounted. Screwed the new bolt here, and then you have to tighten the bolt here, and then you're finished. Just put on the springs here, tighten the springs, and you're finished.